Okay, my people, now welcome back to the matter. This is Steve, the boss of DEY RED. We get 4 steering and 4 drivers. We drive now to one destination only for now Saturday to the go city. But don't forget now, say DEY RED now on the top of YouTube. Just go our YouTube channel, go see Wazobia TV. You go see DEY RED. Click on, you say you should enjoy them. In case you missed one episode where you would like see again the tutorial for body, you like laugh one Saturday or anytime, just go YouTube. It always did there. And other shows did there where you go make your day go. See we? On to the next one, Lucky Child. What is happening in the day?
Bros, now miracle be this way happen. There's a man try to buy himself for 50 times. English say the man attempts suicide 50 times, he not die.
I don't understand. Where put the rope?
Lucky, I beg you. Where the man is stay? They know they sell otapia.
Shakara, the guy try 50 times.
What did they use?
Okay, he said first time. He said first time for Joe, in tie rope for ceiling, come hang his neck, come climb for chair.
Now belle 9 times.
He say put the chair. The moment they put the chair they give moving do can tire. Then the second one here say get up tablet. So say if you drink her with alcohol, you go die one hand. He can drink 40 tablets with alcohol. He can sleep. You know, now when they wake up, he say 3 days and 3 nights. When they wake up, like say 3 days and 3 nights, he don't die.
Oga, if you are watching, try this recipe. Very small quantity of acid. Small. Put them inside this thing. Then otapia, small one, no. Small. This is why they taste so small. Miss out. You don't need to drink, I just test out.
And the last price, put count. So that I go full. Go full. I put small count.
Don't drink
or if you think this process too long, this is a very short process. Enter bedroom bath with cold water. Waka go and transform my whole house.
That's all.
Okay. Your eye will clear.
And I'm not saying, well, look the other way around. The guy, maybe they worry him. Because he won't kill himself. He don't tire for this life. So they say you don't go die.
Now we go kill you. You cannot kill yourself.
You cannot choose.
Let us decide your killing. We will decide your killing by ourselves.
You go be through this.
I don't say this kind of thing they happen for a Nigerian movie. I don't see for a Nigerian movie when somebody say won't kill himself. Congo bush near one road. As he take the drink, the food, the thing. As he take can drink can small time. First when one kill himself, not because you keep quiet down. It will call the yana. Help! Help!
I beg. I know they write all this kind of news for this city that annoy me. If you want that, you know, you see that full everywhere. Oh, feather. Clean your ear, cross social media, Papa Expressway.
But seriously,
when they clean your ear, they want to pass. When you say truck, they come where they pass.
Elenu, the guy still talk one when you attempt to. He say in jump enter trailer where they move very fast. Then he come fall, make the tire for crush him. Then the trailer guy come stand for mirror, he can't dodge. Another vehicle where they call supposed crush and cause he dodge. He say they fed up, but I really want that.
Now they worry the guy.
50 times.
So
this guy, man, try these 2 recipes.
Echinere, that's the guy's name.
Echi, try these 2 recipes. If you don't work, then God love you.
If you call 4 boys for your area, one hold your leg, one hold your hand.
What are we saying?
Carry
what's wrong with you?
They cut your neck. You don't die.
Very simple, very simple. Please visit Sambisa Forest just to assist our soldiers.
No carry gun, no carry gun.
Make you the front.
Go be smart.
Echinere, hope you know say na joke with them, but we try advise you say life sweet, not commit suicide.
Even the way we talk now, if you in the verse, make it die.
No.
It don't be that.
Life is sweet. This topic I want to talk now, this one they prepare me for body. And the reason why they prepare me for body now because of one of my friends. MC Acapella. Acapella know they take bread play. Acapella bread na be best food. Bread na be best food. I can't hear say price of bread won't go up.
Acapella don't die.
No problem.
Price of bread won't go up. And we got the politicians see them. Whole bread. The same bread when they want carry go up. They hold the bread. What are they trying to tell us?
I beg any party logo be bread.
I go vote for them. Even Bros Joe.
See Bros.
Don't be Bros Joe whole bread so. So why they want? Why what did they want come? Oh God.
Wait.
They let you know so politicians.
I mean, a part of the change with that.
Yeah. Seriously, obviously say bread don't get fuel level now. On a fuel now in the people.
Oh, so they want come off a bread subsidy.
Oh my God.
Black saying that during swearing that with this bread, I swear that there will be food in Nigeria.
Sufficient bread to go around.
Enough bread.
But don't forget, man shall not live by bread alone. Leave our bread.
After on our bread, with Jesus Christ, best food.
I tell you.
But seriously, why bread won't go up? Why? Wait till the bread. I not like an nature bread. So you not concern me if you go up now.
Bread is sweet too. You don't use
What of your wife? She don't like bread.
but you don't
She likes sliced bread, so now like
all this bread with tea and everything. You don't take cold water, drop down for inside. Take cold water, take bread, soak inside. Chop.
Yeah, Shaggy. Hey, Shaggy, we know where you're coming from. Shakara.
Or you use bread and granite.
This television a big man. No, they discuss your property.
I was confused. I was actually confused.
You got a letter of Ghana. You want to say what's your problem?
We ain't talking about bread.
My God, they pay me.
Don't let me verse. I don't wake up and put bread for ordinary water.
Bread and water.
Or when you make tea finish.
Now you are talking.
When you make tea finish.
You dip the bread inside the tea. Don't dip bread inside the water. What's wrong with you?
Now the type of shaggy, the type of shaggy they buy bread, the compost will come carry mineral.
Oh my God! What is it I said that jam?
Compressor.
If you want a journey like us here, just send on the story where you see. Send that to us at DEY RED, Wazobia TV, at wazobiatv.tv, or send a give us on Twitter, maybe at Wazobia. At DEY RED. And don't forget, say if you see our past episode there for YouTube, just go Wazobia Television, Wazobia TV for YouTube, down our channel. Look for DEY RED and make your day.
Wait, call the channel now. Now you don't say worry about
Our channel.
Our channel now. Our channel. True, now we channel. Now we channel. We are crying. Now we channel.
All right. The next.
Shaggy. Now we channel.
Elenu, the year what did happen for? Now the year what did happen for where you?
I don't go back for school since. You know, concern me.
I just say, no, more than not verse. I just make a ask. My student invest there now. They say, waiting. Because they don't pull us. So they stop all this down. Swagalicious dressing. But some girls go there, open body, design body, those kind of open back, all those kind of things, draw tattoo everywhere. Guys will come wear. Some with their dirty boxers.
Okay.
Cause swag trousers come out again.
Which school be that?
OAU. Obafemi Awolowo University. Okay, no, so that school, they get reputation and they won't maintain their
standard. They don't maintain
sagging.
Now the lecture and then I go suffer them.
They cannot stop sagging because now something we start for way back. Because in those days, trust that they did for our papa they drop. No, those days they off sagging. So as the years they go, the trust that they drop under. Now we can reach 2016 now. Sagging on the by 2021 now.
Now leg they go.
Guy if they waka they go trust that they follow for back. Hello, wait for me.
And before, me I be no say mosquito net. Now what did they take the cover body, cover house? Say okay, your door had mosquito net so that mosquito no go they enter. Or use mosquito net cover your bed where you want sleep. But now people don't take this malaria matter serious. So the mosquito nets are not on clothes. We get them here. They go wear nets. You can't see all the Brazil.
Then they get ready for any mosquito attack. Ever ready now?
No, it's good as they do that one.
That net where you see I enter club all the night. He proper job man. I see one get wear net enter. Yeah, hey. We shouldn't be this. This is to catch a fish. Catch a fish.
You net catch fish. I catch a fish. Catch a little. But you know this matter, and I guess the papers. Because the girls they're not going to provoke. Have you read the story, Shah? That's how I know small thing about that. Now girls they provoke. Say what do they mean? Because we are not in primary school.
They know if you say they are marketing.
Yeah, they're going to say you are not in primary school.
No, say that
it's freedom of
they begin cover everything now. They're not going to see more marks from lecturers.
When they open body, we see they see girls where they old for house, never married. Now they call the cover thing again. I'm missing a problem. Just be like say you won't go buy point and kill. They cover them.
I go take
that. I take it what we
so your advice now be say me they see they dress that.
I'm not advice.
No, say they open every, they go small.
Most small. So that you know the market where
and the whole Swagalicious dressing now they cover. May they cover. May they ban only swag. Only delicious. May no be like say they all ban everything because say what shall it profit a man if you cannot say I make it.
But gradually, notice we they go back to the olden days. We are going back to the time of Adam and Eve.
That's what it should be.
If you reach your time, your own Adam go for you.
And they wonder how it go be now. We come go back to Adam and Eve. When I go see 4 men, they no clothes. When I just go to now, this is my last stop. Now here we want to close the because I did so I need to go peace. And I tell you now say I need to peace for this 2015 election.
Peace.
Peace.
And Shakara talk, if you see where they fight, find one corner, peace put, because all we need is peace.